The X10 has been such an amazing experience for me that if I ever had to have my other knee done, I would absolutely have the X10 as part of my recovery plan. Hi, my name is Gayle. I'm 51 years old, and I had a total knee replacement by Dr. James Verner 3 weeks ago. And I've been using the X10 therapy 3 times a day, every day, 7 days a week, even sometimes 4 times a day, and I love the X10. It has helped and improved my recovery 100%. I have only used the X10 therapy as part of my healing and recovery process, and I love the X10. I have not done any home physical therapy. I have not done outpatient physical therapy. I have relied 100% on the X10 for my therapy. The X10 therapy machine is very, very user-friendly and very easy to use. Yes, prior to surgery, I used the X10 for everything, for range of motion, for strengthening, concentric, eccentric. What I loved is I could see my progress as I was doing it. The X10 company provided me with a coach. Her name is Erin, and Erin is absolutely phenomenal. From the day that the X10 was delivered, she has reached out to me. She contacts me every day. Anything I need, I can call her at any time, and she will respond and call me. She has really been a huge part of my success. The X10 therapy allowed me to get to my full range of motion in 2.5 weeks. I'm young, and to inflict the manual pain that comes with just manual therapy creates anxiety, because when you can't do it, you get very upset because you feel like you should be farther along than you are. The X10 is super convenient because it's in your home. You don't have to go anywhere. I can sit on it as many times a day that I want. I'm a little over 3 weeks post-op using the X10, and I feel the strength in my leg. I feel it's as strong as when I went into my surgery, pre-surgery. I feel very confident. I feel very comfortable with my strength. Now I can ride my bike. I can get back to strength training at the gym. I do gardening. I can do my gardening without pain. At my 2-week post-op appointment, after I saw Kelly, Dr. Verner asked me to walk for him, and he was extremely impressed by how well my gait and my balance was and the straightness of my walk at 2 weeks. And the X10 is really the reason that I had that great of a recovery and why I looked and walked so good.